Welcome to the Future Suitability for California Specialty Crops tool, which can be used to understand past observations and future predictions for key climatic variables relevant to optimal growing conditions for California specialty crops. Let's walk through how to use this tool. First, we can select a location of interest by searching for an address using the magnifying glass icon. We can also find an area of interest with the location icon. Once we find our desired area, we can explore the surroundings. By default, parcels for crops such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are displayed, and by clicking on each, you can see information on each parcel in the upper right side containing crop, county, and acreage information. Next, we can select the climate suitability variables of interest we would like to display in the left-hand side. By default, many of these variables are hidden and can be unhidden by clicking on the eye icon. This tool can be used to view historical observations of chill hours by expanding the Chill Hour tab and clicking on the eye icon for the years of interest. Let's make some years visible now. Clicking on the screen, the tab on the upper right-hand side will appear and display chill hours for that location underneath the text displaying band_1 for a given year. If multiple years are visible, the user can click through various years using the arrows at the upper right side. Next, we can display future projections for variables such as chill hours. Here, we have several sets of projections based on scenarios for future emissions: low, intermediate, unmitigated, and very high. Let's select the intermediate emissions layer, a realistic middle-of-the-road scenario. Next, and similar to before, we can now make projections for various years visible. Doing so now, we can then select a location and now visualize projections for future chill hours by year at that location. Importantly, we can also compare these projections for a different location by moving the map and clicking on a different area of interest. Note that the projections vary smoothly across different locations and that each location will have slightly different estimates for future chill, which can inform growers at a more precise level of future growing conditions at their exact location. The tool also contains different variables of interest for different crops. We can select other crops and variables of interest in the upper tab, such as winter precipitation, of particular interest for cherry growth and yields. The platform will then load the information for that crop of interest. The information for cherries and winter precipitation can then be viewed in a similar way. If you would like more information about the importance of these variables, please visit the Variable Importance tab. To learn more about how these variables are developed, visit the Methodology tab. If you would like to cite this tool in your work, please visit the Citation tab. Finally, we would love to hear from you about how this tool can be most relevant to you by visiting the Contact tab. Thanks so much, and we hope this future suitability tool will be useful to you.